2025 income tax rates for trusts and estates. Trusts are powerful estate planning tools that help manage and distribute assets according to specific wishes. They can be used for a variety of purposes, such as funding a loved one's education, ensuring long-term care for someone with special needs, or preserving family property. But trusts aren't just about financial planning, they are also subject to complex tax rules. Understanding these tax rates and regulations is essential to make informed decisions. Taxation and legalities of trusts. Trusts are both legal and financial entities. Depending on the type, they are taxed differently. In 2025, there are three main categories of trusts. Simple trusts, which distribute all income to beneficiaries without touching the principal. Complex trusts, which can retain some income, distribute principal, or make charitable donations. Grantor trusts, where the grantor retains ownership of trust assets, and income is taxed at their personal rate, often resulting in tax advantages. The taxation of trusts involves federal, state, and sometimes local levels. In New York, for example, only New York City and Yonkers impose a local income tax on trusts and estates. An experienced attorney can guide trustees and beneficiaries through these obligations, ensuring compliance and minimizing tax liabilities. 2025 income tax rates for trusts and estates. For 2025, trusts and estates are subject to graduated federal tax rates on ordinary income, 10% for earnings between $0 and $3,150, 24% for earnings between $3,150 and $11,450, 35% for earnings between $11,450 and $15,650, 37% for earnings over $15,650. For example, if a trust earns $20,000 in income in 2025, taxes would amount to approximately $5,386.50 under this system. On the other hand, if an estate only earns $1,000, it would pay $100, as it falls within the lowest tax bracket. Long-term capital gains, including qualified dividends, benefit from lower tax rates, 0% for income up to $3,250. 15% for income from $3,250 to $15,900. 20% for income exceeding $15,900. It's important to consult with a knowledgeable lawyer to ensure accurate calculations and identify any applicable deductions or exemptions. Understanding trust taxation and planning. Trustees can take advantage of certain deductions to ease tax burdens. For example, reasonable fees for management and tax preparation may be deducted, along with charitable donations. Contributions into the trust are not generally taxed to avoid double taxation. Beneficiaries typically pay taxes on distributed income from the trust, while distributions from the original principal are often tax-free. Planning also involves considering state-specific laws. While New York does not impose a gift tax, federal limits do apply. In 2025, the annual gift tax exclusion is $19,000, and the lifetime exemption is set at $13.99 million, up from $13.61 million in 2024. Setting up the right trust structure and understanding tax implications requires careful consideration. Working with an experienced Long Island attorney ensures that trusts are tailored to your needs while meeting all legal requirements. At Schlessel Law PLLC, we're here to assist with all your estate planning needs. Contact us today at 516-574-9630, or visit our office at 34 Willis Avenue, Suite 300, Mineola, New York, 11501, United States, to schedule your consultation. Let us help you secure your financial future.